Hey guys, welcome back to Trendy Gadget. Today we'll talk about the best gadgets and must-haves to survive a nuclear war. Let's head into it. It's doomsday clock time again. On January 26th, the Bulletin of the Atomic Scientists moved its annihilation estimation to 2.5 minutes to midnight, meaning the group believes we're closer to oblivion than we've been since 1953 to 1960. This ritual has been going on since 1947. That's 70 years of scary analysis of global threats. World tensions are at such heightened levels that even hedge fund managers and Silicon Valley titans are preparing for the worst. But some of the 99% might need prep or shopping tips too. And even if you're not inclined to start hoarding supplies anytime soon, some of the gadgets in this video can be useful in all sorts of emergencies, like natural disasters. Good luck out there. BioLite Camp Stove, a portable 2.6 pound stove fueled by naturally occurring scraps, sure would come in handy after society breaks down. Voila! The BioLite Camp Stove. Feed it biomass like twigs, pine cones, or wood pellets, and the resulting smokeless fire from this portable grill can get a pot of water boiling in under 5 minutes. It also generates enough electricity to charge a mobile phone or other gadgets with a USB port. Included is a USB charged flex light, a light with a bendable stem that can be positioned to illuminate the cooked surface. Zoom In X Complete Kit. This 54-inch hickory survival staff is a multi-tool that can lend its carrier a super tough silhouette while hiking desolate apocalyptic landscapes. The staff breaks down to 2 pieces for portability in a pack or camping roll, and the set also includes a compass attachment, a rubber grip, and an Allen key for changing the heads. As Teddy Roosevelt said, speak softly and carry a big stick. If peaceful talk doesn't work, bust out the survival staff. Motopede Survival Bike. This bug-out motorbike may be just what a city dweller needs to run for the hills, with its ability to weave through traffic around miles of cars with occupants also trying to escape. This baby can go for 250 to 300 miles before you'll have to battle other looters of abandoned vehicles to get more gas. Motopedes are built to order, or you can get a kit and build one yourself. Keep in mind it's still a moped, so the maximum speed is 24 miles per hour. Total Survival Solar Kettle. Even if the world goes permanently off-grid, you can maintain a modicum of civilization by making tea or a boiled egg, or even that beverage that once kept everyone going, coffee. It also makes questionable water safer to drink. Constructed like a thermos, with a heavy-duty glass vacuum tube inside, it can heat 16 ounces of water to a rolling boil in 20 to 49 minutes, anytime there's direct sunlight, all while the outside remains safe to touch. Grill Purifier Bottle. This portable water filter and purification system lets thirsty doomsday survivors drink water found anywhere. Fill up the bottle at a stream, press for 15 seconds, and proceed with hydration. The water will be clear of viruses, bacteria, protozoa, particulates, chemicals, and heavy metals. One filter is good for 300 uses. After that, if you haven't stockpiled them, you're on your own. Sun Oven with Dehydration and Preparedness Package. Cooking during the end times doesn't have to mean a squirrel skewered on a stick over a fire. What if I told you that you could bake bread by harnessing the power of the sun? Folks have been cooking in solar ovens for years after all. The original commercially sold solar oven is the size of a small suitcase and reaches temperatures of 360 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. This kit also has extra racks for dehydrating fruits. Waka Waka Power Plus Solar Charger. After there's no one left to text and no more Instagram, you can still look at your digital photos by charging up your phone with this solar-powered charger and light. It takes 12 hours in the sun to juice up the power, then its LED light can shine for up to 150 hours, and it'll charge up a smartphone in about 2 hours. It can also charge cameras, MP3 players, and tablets. Plus, for every unit sold, another is donated to a family living without electricity. The 72. You've heard of bug-out bags, but the team behind the 72 set out to make the ultimate go bag by asking experts, survivalists, military, climbers, and medical pros which supplies or information were the most important to include. It has an integrated flashlight for hands-free illumination while wearing the pack, and the exoskeleton frame becomes snowshoes or splints. Inside are silkscreen first aid and emergency instructions, plus more than 30 tools and supplies like a radio, USB charger, food, water filter, sunscreen, hand warmers, and more. What do you think about these gadgets? Let us know in the comment section. This brings us to the end of our video. I hope you enjoyed it. Hit like if you did, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss any of our videos in the future. Also, watch the 2 videos that are on your screen because I'm sure you'll love them. With that, I'll see you in the next video.